Hi guys, I'm Jefferson Salunoy from BIT Kumtik 1A. Today we will make a video about the LED flasher using NA556. Okay, next thing to do is go to tinkercad.com, circuits, create new circuits. Okay, then next is let's check the schematic diagram. Okay, let's see what the components are and how to connect it. We have 8 resistor, 2 polarized capacitor, 2 capacitor, and the LED. Okay, we deploy the breadboard, small breadboard. Next is the components. We have 8 resistor, the battery 6 volt, 9 volts, 9 volts battery, resistor 8 resistor, the 8 resistor. Next is the LED, the 4 LED. And the next is the capacitor, the 2 capacitor. The next is the polarized capacitor, and don't forget the NA556. Okay, next thing to do is we deploy the components into the small breadboard. We change the capacity of the resistor, 390 ohms, okay. Next is the 200, okay, the 220 kilo ohms, the other one 220 kilo ohms. And the next is the 100 kilo ohms, and let's change the okay, we deploy first the 556 timer. And the next is the 100. The next is the other 100 into the upper side. And the 220 in the right side. and the other 220 in the left side. Okay, now next is the LED. If other LED in the left side, and then we connect the resistor 390. Okay, let's check the circuit diagram. Okay, next is the polarized. We put it into the left side, and next is the other polarized in the right side. Let's check again the circuit diagram. Okay, and the capacitor. Okay, and the other capacitor. Don't forget to change the capacitance of the components. Okay, let's deploy another LED. Okay, thing to do is the okay, the other one 390, and next step is we connect the components to other components, and important we follow the circuit diagram. Okay, polarized to number 2, the 220 to number 6. The other polarized, connect it to the negative, and 100 into number 1. Okay, okay, next is the resistor. Okay, let's check again the circuit diagram. The other 100 resistor into number 14 and number 10. The next is the resistor to polarized capacitor, and the capacitor to polarized capacitor, and the LED to polarized capacitor. Resistor to number 12. Okay, next is the capacitor to number 1 2 3 number 11, and the resistor to number 8, and the 220 connect to 390. Okay, 220 100 to number 4. Okay, next is the ground. Let's check the schematic diagram. Okay, negative to negative, positive to positive. Okay, now we connect the LED into the NE556 dual timer. Okay, and the final is the battery. Okay, connect the battery, negative to negative and the positive. Okay, let's check again the schematic diagram for short to. Okay, let's check the wirings. Okay, and now let's try. Okay, and now we see the 4 LED was blinking. Okay, let's change the color of LED. Okay, let's try again. Oh, you see guys, the LED is now light and blinking. The important thing is follow the circuit diagram and safety. So that's it guys. The important thing is you should follow the circuit diagram and be safety.